All right, we're looking at the SKS Air checker. You may have seen our other reviews on the toe peak smart gauge and the updated toe peak smart gauge. Thought it'd be good to do a comparison with this SKS Air checker. Inside the box, there's some instructions. Says that this air pressure gauge has a pressure release function, much like the toe peak does. Also has real-time measurement, an easy-to-read display, and highly accurate. Let's give it a try. It's like there's a little tab there, plastic to prevent the battery from working. So one thing I noticed right away is the backlit LCD screen there. With the original toe peak, it wasn't backlit, and it could be hard to see in the dark or in the bright sunlight. So I like that right away. The newer version, it does have lit up LCD. So I think the newer version of the toe peak is more comparable. It's got a rotating head to select either Presta or Schrader. I'm not sure if it works in all directions like the toe peak does, or if it needs to be rotated a certain direction. It's also got a bleed button here. It's got the measuring options. They're a lot harder to read on here. And it looks like we have PSI and bar over there on the side are the only options. I'm going to jump over the instructions. So to measure, it says to push the on-off button, select the unit, choose the valve, and to rotate it up. So that beeped 3 times. Then it shows the measurement there. I'm going to try measuring it at a different angle here. Looks like it does work at any angle. Valve button's a lot harder to push and use than on the toe peak. So it looks like it's not updating there as I'm bleeding the pressure. I'm going to try pushing the mode button. Now it's flashing. Now it's updating in real time. I'm assuming if I take this off, we'll lose the number because it's updating real time. If I switch modes again, it beeps, and now it maintains the pressure. So a lot like the toe peak, same features for bleeding, options for freezing the pressure on the gauge or having it update in real time. The size is about the same. Same size battery. I think I would choose the toe peak just because the display is a little bit easier to read. Larger numbers and a brighter display as well. One problem I have with these is just the batteries running out. I'll throw them in a tool bag and not use them for a while. When I go to use them, the battery's dead. So be sure to have an extra battery around if you're using one of these. They're great for a quick check on suspension or tire pressure. The more and more I've ridden, the more picky I become on tire pressure. So it's nice to have one of these with you. If you enjoy this kind of content, gear reviews and cycling products, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're in the market for buying one of these, we'll drop some links in the description below, or be sure to check out GearChase.com, where we search hundreds of different online retailers to find the best prices on different outdoor gear. Sure, you'll be able to find an air pressure gauge on there.